Hi, it's Phil in Bangkok, back in Bangkok here, and it's Chinese New Year, and he's just letting off the fire. Well, happy Chinese New Year. It's just got back from Philippines last night, and it's February 2nd. Chinese New Year is actually tomorrow, but people in my neighborhood here are starting to celebrate. And yeah, that was very nice. So you got the message down here that after the explosion, the New Year message. Whew, that was loud. Poor Tono. Burning the offerings here for their relatives. You see, they've got money, paper money, paper clothes, paper, maybe even cell phones or something. You okay, Tono? You okay? You okay? Yeah, you okay? Poor guy. Did you like the fireworks? Did you like the fireworks?
Tono ตกใจมาก
Good. So, Konghe Choi. Now I'm gonna go. It's actually just 9:30 in the morning. I'm gonna go to my favorite soup lady right around the corner here and have my chicken noodle soup. Oh, such beautiful flowers. These flowers here are very inexpensive. Like that bunch of orchids that you see there. Like one bunch of orchids is only like like 60 cents or something. But yeah, so it's going to be a lot of festivities in the next few days, and it's going to be fun. So check out my other videos for Chinese New Year. And there's my chicken noodle soup lady. Oh, steaming up here. Got the broth going in there. So it's like $1 for chicken noodle soup. I usually get the thicker noodle. Actually, maybe I'll have egg noodle today. Try something different. Anyways, bon appetit. So this morning for breakfast, I went a little bit different. Instead of getting my usual rice noodle, I got the egg noodle today. And I'm just going to get some of these condiments here. There's peanuts. Sour sauce. Chili. Oops. There you go. $1.